Hi guys, today we're going to take you through removing and replacing the antennas on your system. So basically, Tempo Walk has three antennas. We have a right antenna, a center or front, and we have a left antenna. So basically they go to the CPU and tells it how to triangulate and move. First thing, as always, we want to make sure there's no power going to the CPU board or anything before we go. And you'll see this is actually an antenna. I'll take it off. The only plug that we're going to have to worry about is on the back. So we're going to take a little Phillips screwdriver, unscrew these. There's two screws. The case will come open. Again, no power going to the unit. We're going to disconnect by pressing the little tab on the back. It'll release. Then we'll plug it in. Nice clipped in. You'll make sure that this is facing out. The connector is on the back. You want that little bronze piece facing up. The wire comes out the bottom. There's actually a little notch in the case for that. Then we'll put the cover back on. And the cover lines up and you can feel it snap into place. We'll get one of these started just to hold it in place. You'll just replace that other screw. So I'll pull up this other board. One thing we'll want to check when we remove and replace this also has one of those litmus stickers on it. Make sure that's still white. If that's red, somehow moisture got into that, and that's what could have caused our antenna failure. So that's how you remove and replace an antenna on your Tempo Walk unit. We will actually take and probably send these as a set of 3, so you'll have to do each one of the antennas. It'll be easier than trying to diagnose and find out which antenna. We'll send a full new set.